Welcome to our guide on unlocking your full badminton potential. Whether you're a beginner or an intermediate player, these essential tips will help you improve your performance and enjoyment of the game. You know, when I first stepped onto the court, I was captivated by the speed, the agility, the sheer power of the game. Badminton isn't just about hitting a shuttlecock. It's a mental game, a physical challenge, and a test of your strategic thinking. In this video, we'll break down the essential elements that can help you elevate your game. Just like any sport, dedication and the right techniques are key to unlocking your full potential. Let's get started. Before we even think about stepping onto that court, we need to prepare our bodies. Warming up and stretching are crucial. It's not just about preventing injuries, it's about priming your muscles, increasing blood flow, and getting yourself mentally ready for the game ahead. Think of it as a ritual, a way to focus your mind and body on the task at hand. Focus on your shoulders, legs, and core. These are the powerhouses of your game. A few simple stretches, some light cardio, it can make all the difference. Badminton is a game of movement, of anticipating your opponent's every move. Footwork is the foundation upon which your game is built. Mastering the basics, the side steps, the lunges, those quick, precise movements, that's what separates the amateurs from the champions. Remember, it's not about running around the court aimlessly. It's about efficiency, about always being in the right position to unleash your shots with maximum power and accuracy. The way you hold your racket, the feel of it in your hand, it's your direct connection to the game. There's an art to it, a science. Forehand, backhand. Each grip unlocks a different set of shots, a different way to manipulate the shuttlecock. Experiment, find what feels natural, but always strive for control and flexibility. A firm grip when you need power, a delicate touch for those drop shots. It's all in the wrist and the way you transfer energy through the racket. Chapter 4. Mastering the shots, your arsenal of attack. The clear, the drop shot, the smash. These are the weapons in your badminton arsenal. Each shot requires precision, timing, and a deep understanding of angles and trajectory. Practice is key here. Focus on your technique, on the smooth transfer of weight, on generating power from your core. Remember, it's not just about hitting the shuttlecock hard. It's about hitting it with purpose, with strategy. Chapter 5. Tactical play, outsmarting your opponent. Badminton is a mental game, a chess match played at lightning speed. Reading your opponent's movements, anticipating their shots, that's where true mastery lies. Every move they make, every twitch of their racket, it's telling you something. Pay attention, use their weaknesses against them, force them into uncomfortable positions. Dictate the pace of the game and you'll be one step ahead. Chapter 6. Avoiding pitfalls. Learning from mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes, especially when starting out. The key is to learn from them, to understand why they happen and how to correct them. Poor footwork, rushing shots, not paying attention to your opponent. These are common pitfalls, but they can be overcome. Be patient with yourself. Analyze your game. Identify areas for improvement and focus on developing consistent, fundamentally sound techniques. Chapter 7. The mental game, staying focused, staying strong. Badminton is as much a mental game as it is physical. Staying focused, maintaining a positive attitude even when you're behind. That's what separates the good from the great. Develop a routine, a way to clear your mind before each point. Visualize your shots. Believe in your abilities and never give up. Remember, even the toughest opponents can be rattled. Stay strong, stay focused, and victory will be yours. Thanks for watching. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep these tips in mind, and you'll see improvement in no time. Badminton is a journey, a constant process of learning and refining your skills. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and never stop pushing yourself to improve. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more badminton tips and tutorials.